What's back? Today I'm going to be playing Smashy Road Wanted. You guys probably know what Crossy Road is, but this is Smashy Road. Where you have to you're going to specifically like a little kid, and then you get chased by cops and you just have to try to survive as long as you can.
Hey guys, it's his brother right now, and you guys should go sub to me on Instagram.
Go sub to me.
Go sub to my brother and me.
See, it's fun. I just got arrested apparently.
My username on Instagram is Josh84M.
Do you have what it takes to become a monster?
So yeah, that's my username. It's Josh84M, and then my YouTube channel is Banjo V C. Okay, spaces between V and C. Okay, there's spaces, right? So yeah, all you guys go do that.
Finally, select the best and become a monster legend. Monster legend. Download for free.
Okay, guys.
Well, you guys probably shouldn't hear that.
Guys, look, there's this meme on Instagram. This is what it says. It says
they're making fun of cars.
It says the sound of when V-Tech kicks in. It's so accurate because V really sounds like that. Jake, use a different car. That car sucks.
Oh crap! Go 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 go!
Go 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 go! Hey guys, I'm playing Smashy Road 2, boy.
Go sub to my brother, Joe. Like, comment, and subscribe. And
Also, everybody go sub. The shout out of the day is to Apex Bunny. Everybody go sub to him. He's actually my friend from school, so everybody go sub to him.
And also shout out to Guava Juice.
Really? Everyone knows Guava Juice.
Well, some people don't, like my fans, because like my videos are better than Guava Juice's.
Your fans? You have fans, Jake?
Yes, I do.
How many?
I think 6. I got 19 views on my last video.
Well, that's because you had it up for 3 weeks.
Yeah, true. Well, I still got 19 views.
Get that spin, boy.
This is fun. You guys you guys need to download this game. Like, straight up need to. It's like one of the funnest.
Do you really want to?
This is one of the funnest Smashy games. What?
Was it just a hit and run? Did it stop it?
No.
Oh. Straight up, tell me, do you really want to love me forever? Was it just a hit and run?
This game looks so gay.
Guys, comment down below if you hate ads. Say you guys need to start something that says no more ads. Okay, start that going right now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, now. And follow our social medias. We'll give you 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I hope you guys did that.
Jake, you sure you remember how to count?
Yes, I do. See, this kid, he doesn't think I remember how to count. I know how to count. I started school already.
And you guys also comment down below what grade you guys are in.
Because I'm in 7th.
No.
I know I don't sound like it, but I'm in 7th.
I'm just kidding. I'm
in 3rd.
I'm in 6th.
My brother's... This is his first year of middle school, so wish him luck this year.
No, it's not. This is my 8th year. Yo, I got held back. Yos. Hey, Yos.
No, this is actually his first year. Oh, look at this yummy burgers, you guys. And hot dogs. Stupid restaurant. Did you guys see all those That really looked like crap. Oh, I need to do my spin. Oh, my bad. I don't know why, but this thing is called Bearbit Studios. It's called literally. Why can't it just be called Jake is the best YouTuber on YouTube?
No, you guys mean Banjo is the best YouTuber.
No!
PewDiePie with subscribers right now.
No, he's not.
You guys probably don't know me, but I'm the most known YouTuber on the planet.
No, you're not. Jake Paul is.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
He's a YouTuber who gets the most subscribers every day, but you already know that, boys. Guys, they now changed the law because I get the most subscribers every day.
No, you don't.
I get 276,273.
If you do, how come you only have like 20?
I only have 11.
Well, how
Stop
do you...
picking on me. I'm telling the teacher that you're bullying.
You need to start putting hashtags in your videos so people search for like Big Brother, Little Brother. And that's how you get followers.
You can do hashtags on YouTube. No, you can't.
Dude, really? Okay. Thank you guys all for watching. I am going to end this video now. Goodbye.
It's not done.
Liz? How do I stop it?